What's mommy's name?
Angela.
What's daddy's name?
David.
What's Emo's name?
Susie.
What's Ibubu's name?
Yeah.
What about Emo's baby's name?
Sophie.
What about Mimi's name?
Dewey.
What about Hybe's name?
David.
What about Komo's name?
Annie. Jenny.
Jenny? What's your name?
Kim.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Who lives next door? Who lives over there?
Riley.
Riley what?
Riley Travis.
Who's your boyfriend's name?
Matthew.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Who are you gonna go see at Disney World?
Barney.
Who else?
Ariel.
Ariel, who else?
Princess.
Princess? How many princess?
2.
Who's your favorite princess?
Sleeping Beauty.
Sleeping Beauty. Who else are you gonna see? You gonna see Mickey Mouse? Can you sing a song?
Thank you, my heart. Thank you, everything.
Good job. Can you pray for mommy? Pray.
Word, drink you, ice cream, chocolate. Amen.
Okay. Say, see you later.
See you later.